everybody, this is another video, and today we are going to be doing part 2 of part 1 of unit 2, which is going to be representing linear and exponential functions in exponential and linear relationships. And this part of representing linear and exponential functions will be ways to represent linear and exponential functions. So we all know the slope-intercept form, which is the y equals mx plus b. The slope times x plus the y-intercept equals y. But there are more ways to represent an equation than that, such as a graph and a point, 2 points on the line. But we also know that you can use explicit formulas, which are other equations. A to sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. So this is the explicit formula. Last time we talked about the recursive formula of this, which is very helpful for when you know the number before it. But this one is good for numbers that you have no idea about, but you know part of the sequence. So, we are going to be using the same sequence from last time. Means in 3, 6, 9, 12. By the way, this is not just one sequence that we cannot change. We can continue on with the sequence. So, we know that a to the power of 1 equals, say, sub 1 equals 3 because a sub 1 is the first number in the whole sequence. Hence the name 1. D, however, would be 3 because D is a common difference, or how much it's adding or subtracting, such as plus 3 or minus 7. So it would be 3 plus 3 equals 6, 6 plus 3 equals 9, 9 plus 3 equals 12. So, every time it's adding 3. So D would be 3. So let's try a equals a sub 31. So that's not so easy with the recursive formula, because you would have to figure out a sub 5, and then figure out a sub 6, and then a sub 7, and then a sub 8, and so on and so on. And no one wants to do that work. So that's where explicit formulas come in. So we can do this. We can substitute n for 31, because that's the number that we're trying to figure out, as well as we can substitute n here. We can substitute a for a sub 1 equals 3 and substitute d for 3. So it would be 3 plus 3 times 31 minus 1. So any person who knows the order of operations, which you all should know, would know that you must do the parentheses first. So we would subtract 1 from 31, which it would be 30. So the equation would now be a sub 31 equals 3 plus 3 times 30. Now we have to do the multiplication first, not the addition first, from order of operation, PEMDAX. So a 31 equals, a sub 31 equals 3 plus 90, since 3 times 30 equals 90. And then a sub 31 equals 90 plus 3, which is 93. So a sub 31 equals 93. Now this could be figured out with this, but we don't know the y-intercept. It just tells us the first number in the sequence. Second, third, fourth. We have no idea if this could even be used in a graph. So we can easily use an explicit formula in order to figure this out. So, before I tell you the equation, the number that I want you to solve right now, I need to tell you the answer for the And for this equation, and from last time, a sub 6. If you watch the whole episode, you know that you could figure this out because you know what a sub 5 is, because we did that together. But a sub 6 is 18, for anyone who did not watch the video or is stumped. Now, I'm going to give you another one, which might be a bit harder. A sub 100. Try and figure that. I'll give you a bit of time in the video, but if you were really pause the video or wait until the video is over to figure this out. Okay, so this is all the time I give you because we don't want this going for as long as possible, and we need to get through this. So leave a like, hit the bell, and I will tell you the answer next video as I did last video. So make sure to hit the bell and tell me what to do in the comments better, because I am new to this. So I need some help. So if you could help me figure out what to do better, that would be great. Bye.